Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a bag contains 4 red balls, 5 blue balls and 7 green balls. Ashish draws 2 balls out of the bag. What is the probability that he gets a green ball and a blue ball? Here, as there are 5 red balls, 4 blue balls, 7 green balls, that is, there are total 16 balls. Okay, so number of ways to choose 2 balls is given by 16C2, that is 16 into 16 minus 1 means 15 divided by 2 into 2 minus 1 means 2 into 1. So it will give 120. So n of s will be 120. Okay. Now let the desired event be denoted by E. So E with the event of getting 1 green and 1 red ball. Okay. So 1 green means out of 7 green balls we need to choose 1, means it can be taken as 7C1, and means multiplication. 1 red ball means out of 5 red balls we have to choose 1, means 5C1. So it is 7 into 5 means 35. Okay, is 35. Now probability of drawing a green ball and a red ball from out of 5 red and 7 green balls is given by n of E divided by n of S. So it is n of E means 35 divided by n of S means 120. Hence our correct option is option D, which is 35 by 120.